Hello guys, good day to you and welcome to today's video on the Crypto Forts channel. I am To COINMARKETCAP, your humble host, and in this channel we've been talking about ways of making it through cryptocurrency. Alright, this is like a review of our channel. There's introduction to Crypto Forts channel, introduction to cryptocurrency, the basics for beginners, cryptocurrencies for beginners, types of cryptocurrency, the major niches of the crypto industry, the crypto terms and slangs you should know, and our latest video, which is the guide to crypto on Discord. All right. Presently, we have 28 subscriber counts from here, and I truly appreciate you. All right. So do kindly like and subscribe to this video. Share this video on your socials to your friends, your loved ones, your families, everyone you want to see them on board into this crypto industry. All right. So far, we've been creating a playlist, and this is like a beginner playlist. I've been following like a course outline. All right. So we've done introduction videos. Now the playlist we're on now is those tools and resources that you need for a successful journey in the crypto space. Okay, if you follow from come to here, I've treated a guide to your crypto on Discord. All right, how to use Discord for cryptocurrency. You know what Discord is? This is what Discord is. This app here is a Discord app. Okay, this is what Discord is. I spoke about it in the last video, but the link to the video I'll drop it in the description, or you can check out our channel for the video. Okay, but in today's video I'll be talking on CoinMarketCap. Right, I'll be talking on CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is largely like the Google of the crypto space. Okay, everything you want to know about, like just the way Google is like a search engine, that's just how CoinMarketCap is one of the largest spaces of anything and everything crypto. You understand? After probably after Binance or before Binance, if not before Binance. Okay, and this is CoinMarketCap. All right, all these are cryptocurrency projects. Okay, it's they are numbered. There's Bitcoin number 1, there's Ethereum number 2, there's Tether USDT number 3, there's USD coin number 4, there's BNB number 5, there's Ripple number 6, there's Binance USD by number 7, there's ADA number 8, there's Solana number 9, Dogecoin number 10, Matic, Polkadot, DAI, Tron, Shiba Inu, Wrapped Bitcoin, Uniswap, Avalanche, and all these above are cryptocurrencies. All right, so this is CoinMarketCap. Now, CoinMarketCap, like I said earlier, is just like the Google for all crypto projects. You understand? Now, if you can see here, the cryptos on CoinMarketCap, we have 21,482. Sorry about that. 21,482 cryptocurrencies, which are listed on this site. Okay, if you keep scrolling down, let's load. If you keep scrolling down, you see different projects. You see, this stops at number 100, and it goes from number 1 all the way to page 95. You understand? From page 1 all the way to page 95. If I click on page 95, let's load. It's loading. This is page 95. You see this coin bar. Where is it? Okay, Infinity NFT Marketplace. This is Rab Stacks, Gold Cold Chain, and Spooky Halloween Floki. All these are different coins, different cryptocurrencies. You understand? And let me go to number 1 back. Let me go to the first page back, so you understand what I'm saying about. All right, now we're back to the first page. This is Bitcoin. Okay, CoinMarketCap is telling that there are 518 exchanges. You can see it here, 518 exchanges, and the market cap for the entire crypto industry is 933 billion $293,087,268.3. So the crypto industry is about let's call it 70 or $67 billion short of being a $1 trillion industry. Okay, this is 24-hour volume. This is the cryptos that have been traded in the 24 hours. We have 59,270,481,671 crypto that have been traded in the past 24 hours. The dominance of the market, Bitcoin is dominating with about 39.8%, dominating the crypto industry with 39.8%. Ethereum is 17.7%, and then other cryptos are remaining percent. Okay, now this is Earth gas is 25 way. You understand? All right. So this is how the whole blockchain. This is the crypto directory. Just as the way you can use Google for any and everything crypto, this is our own in the crypto industry. This here, CoinMarketCap is our own Google. Okay, and there's a whole lot of things you can do on these sites, which many people don't know. Okay, there are a whole lot of things you can do. For instance, now, if you click this, it's a reward program for users, whereby you are rewarded for every day you log in and you earn. Now let me show you my diamonds. That I have roughly about 3,000 something diamonds. It's like an NFT. And to get to a certain stage, I will use it to buy something on the site. This is my diamonds. This is the number of diamonds I have, 3,230 diamonds. And every day you log in, you receive one. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. By tomorrow, I'll be collecting 50 diamonds, which is day 7. Okay? There's a whole lot of things you can do on CoinMarketCap. For instance, if you click on these 3 lines here, you see a drop down of different things. Okay? Different things. There's cryptocurrencies. You see the ranking, the ones that are recently added, the categories, the ones under spotlight, the gainers and the losers, the global charts, the historical snapshots. Then you see price estimates, Polkadot, and all these things. All right, then I'll see open each one of them. If you click on exchanges, you see exchanges for sports, you see derivatives, you see decentralized exchanges. All these are different exchanges in the crypto industry. All right. If you click on community, it's like just the way the community is. You know what? We all know what communities are. Then if you come to learn, they have different materials available for you. There's Alexandria, is like encyclopedia, but this time just for financial and crypto stuffs. All right. There's news, there's research, there's conference, there's videos, there's market updates, there's glossary, there's where to buy, there's newsletter, there's methodology. Okay, not that. It was a mistake. Sorry about that. Okay. And what's the next one? Okay. We've learned. Okay, we've been to community. Okay, we've done community. Okay, we've learned was the last thing we did. Okay. Now, if you click on products, mobile apps, converter, you can use it to convert the USD or whatever coin to whatever token, from whatever token to whatever cryptocurrency, anything at all. You can do that. Mobile apps that are supported by any project, the blockchain explorer, the jobs board. If you're looking for crypto job, this is where you should come. You see, it opens to another site. Let it open. It's loading. I'll come back to this when it's finished loading. For the time being, let's see. Just go through CoinMarketCap. There's site widgets. There's free airdrops. All right. There's diamond rewards. I've shown you what diamonds. There's a referral program. I'll drop the link. My own referral. You are free to sign up if you have not, but it's okay. You can sign up. There's a learn and earn also. Click on these free airdrops. You should see projects. All right. These are ongoing airdrop projects, as you can see from here. Ongoing airdrop projects. Eagleverse, Top Goal, DeFi Chain. These ones are still upcoming. People that have participated under these ones are 1,105, 1,000, 100, 1,245, 180,605, 177,049. The number of winners for each of these 1,000, 10,000, 1,590, and the total airdrops given. All these you can get from CoinMarketCap. Okay, I think this has loaded. Now, these are jobs. These are available jobs. You see, senior back-end engineer, blockchain, game-changing crypto platform, senior data scientist, blockchain and crypto, senior blockchain developer, crypto fintech, real estate, blockchain engineer, remote hero, quick apply. You know all this. All these are jobs. All these are jobs. Jobs upon jobs upon jobs. All these are jobs. And you can also post a job if you so desire. If you have a project and you need someone to work for you, you can post a job also. All right. So let's go back. Okay. Right here, there's also one of my favorites. One of my favorites. If you come to products, you see learn and earn. All right. This is how it works. You get paid for finishing a particular course. Isn't that interesting? Isn't that wonderful? Like as you watch this video to the very end, I give you a certain amount of money or token or whatever it is, just something as something that's like a means of payment, for you taking out your time to watch this video to the very end. See what it says: learn crypto, earn crypto. You click get started. How does it work? You watch videos, you complete quiz, and then you earn crypto. All right, that's just how this whole thing works. And there are various courses here. These are courses about BNB chain. These are courses about TRN, the Tron. These are courses on Web3 on BNB chain. These are courses on the Solar LXP, Oasis network, different protocols, near protocol, only one, perpetual protocol. All these things are projects that have brought in money. Not necessarily only money, but some of them have brought in NFTs, some of them have brought in tokens that, okay, we would like to give this as a means of, as a reward or compensation to our students for those who completed these, for those who have gone through these classes, you get. So that is one of the big benefits of CoinMarketCap. ICO calendar. If you tap on ICO calendar, you see the different days where different protocols have been launching. This is the project. For instance, these are the projects here. These are the initial stages, ID, initial deposit offerings. Then these 6 days left. All right. This is the goals of what each of these projects are aiming to get. Okay. So for your success in this crypto industry, you really need to be abreast with how to use CoinMarketCap for anything. So for anything whatsoever, it's just like the way Google is. We all use Google for almost every day-to-day activity. You understand? So just play around the site, get register, get to do one or two things, know what each one works for. You know what my diamond is. You can change the language if you so want. These are different languages available. These are different languages available. These are different languages available. But I'm using English. All right. Your portfolio, your watch list. You can have a watch list also. Watch list. You can have a watch list. It's available here. Look at the watch list, which is projects you're looking at. You put in Bitcoin, you put in Ethereum, any projects you have interest in, you put it in your watch list, and you'll be receiving notifications on those projects. Your portfolio is here. Filters, if you want to narrow down your search so that you'll not be seeing this whole long pile of stuffs. You get. Now we have cryptocurrencies, we have categories, we have DeFi, we have NFTs, we have Metaverse, we have Polkadot, we have BNB chain, Solana, Avalanche. All these are different categories. If you click on DeFi, and all these now are decentralized finances. And DAI, Wrapped Bitcoin, Uniswap, Avalanche, Chainlink, Terra Classic, Tezos, Aave, Theta Network, Maker, Synthetics, all these, even PancakeSwap, all these are different DeFis. What a DeFi is, DeFi means decentralized finance. I have a video on all these crypto slangs and terms. Check out our videos, you see them. Okay. Click on NFTs. let me see. Click on NFTs. Okay, it's taking me here. All right, click on metaverse. Okay, these are coins in the metaverse. These are tokens of the metaverse. ApeCoin, Internet Computer, Decentraland, The Sandbox, Theta Network, Axie Infinity, Engine Coin, Stacks, Zilliqa, Ontology, SushiSwap, Wax, PlayDApp. All these are different coins and tokens of the metaverse. You understand? So let's go back to cryptocurrencies. So I just want to, this is just like a brief review of the power and potential available to you in CoinMarketCap. Okay, one other thing you should also know now, this CoinMarketCap, it makes it so easy now. This is Bitcoin, for instance. All right, market cap of Bitcoin is 371 billion 7.72 million dollars. All right, this is the volume under in the past 24 hours. Bitcoin has traded 33,029,334,600 BTC have traded in the past 24 hours. The circulating supply of Bitcoin, the number of Bitcoin in circulating supply is 19,188,312 BTC. And this is how the Bitcoin charts have been in the last 7 days. So we've been going down and then the market is coming back up. These are just one of the very fundamental tools that you should be abreast with for a successful crypto journey. Okay, these are one of the very fundamental tools. In the next video, there's also a career end here. If you are a tech guy, not necessarily a tech guy, if you content creator, just name it. If you click on careers, you see the options available and the job positions that are open. Okay, my network is acting up, and the job positions that are open for people in this space. Okay, let it open. All right, this is it. These are the available: senior Java engineer, web developer, senior Android architect, senior iOS architect, data engineer, senior QA engineer, blockchain explorer, blockchain web explorer, operations manager, content moderator, social media manager. Just name it. Different positions are available. All right. So with this, I think you should. And so they have other social media handles if you want to interact with them, and the app also. I'm using the web version. I've not downloaded the app yet, but it does not matter whether the web, on mobile, on laptop, everything works the same way. Okay, good. So in our next video, I will still make another video on another wonderful tool or platform or software that you should know and be abreast with for a successful journey in the crypto space. Okay, yeah. Do well to like and watch our videos. Let me show you some of the videos we have on our channel. Okay. I have a whole lot of videos on this channel. I have a lot of videos. Come to my library. These are videos. Okay, these are the videos we have. We have introduction to crypto thoughts, introduction to cryptocurrency for beginners, types of cryptocurrency, the major niches of the crypto industry, the things needed to start transacting in crypto terms and slang that you must know. Just as like I use the DeFi, I use decentralized exchanges, all those things. Then guide to crypto on Discord. All these things are videos on our channel. Do well to watch, like, and subscribe to this channel. All right. Till I come away again in your next video. My name is Chukwemeka Miracle, and this is your success in the crypto industry. All right. Bye bye for now.